You got to get out them bigger words. For real though, you need to get out the bigger words.
Where the women at though, Gen Z? Where the parties at? Fuck your bigotry! It's not about what you want. It's about what your boy wants.
Hey, city girl. I don't mind that. City girl. I don't care if that listens to rap. I don't care if that listens to rock. I don't care if that listens to country western. Let me get that city girl.
So I've never been to David's Pizza before. It's like nobody in here. Well, some people. I had like $100 left from my stimulus check, so I got that out. And then I get another $100 check tomorrow. So I mean, like, if you wanted to come have pizza with me or go eat with me somewhere in Spokane, I could totally do that. I'm trying to keep these videos over here under a minute, so I can location take them, and that's a Long Island iced tea. So I'm about to dig into this. Hit me up. Where the women at? Where the party at? Gen Z. But just admit that dating me wouldn't be that bad. Look at this cool bar pizza joint called David's in Spokane. I've heard about this place for 4 years. I'm glad I came in here. This place is awesome. It's pizza, man. I mean, just like power. It's great. I love this. This is some good pizza. I would come back here again. I want to try their pepperoni. This is awesome. Okay. So, I usually do a binge day a month. I weighed 305 pounds in 2018, then I went to college, and now I'm down to 239 in 2020 in June. It's the day before the first day of July. I mean, how else are you going to try and get women to date you? I just like polished off this medium pizza at David's in Spokane. I'm thinking about going to get a prime rib at the Clinker Dagger, just because last month I did Incrediburger, then I went to Twigs that same day, and I usually only eat like one meal a day. So I'm doing that to just do like an impressive thing a month where it's like one meal right after another. I mean, how else are you going to get women to date you? Yep. So I was in David's, and now I'm in the Clinker Digger, just doing like a binge day. I usually only eat like one meal a day, so I'm doing two. And I'm just doing it instead, you know, be a guy and try and impress chicks over Instagram. So I'll show you the meal when I get that. It's 12-ounce prime rib with salad. See, this is what dating me would really be like. It's kind of nice. Like salad. It's real minimal. It's got like almond shavings and egg and feta cheese on it. I'm not sure what kind of dressing. It's pretty tasty though. Kind of I think she said blue cheese. It's romaine. Got some bread. Trying to get chicks to date me, and so I'm just going to different restaurants and show them what I know, and we could have a little conversation. What? Where the party at? Where are the women at? Generation Z. College, baby. So I'm here at the Clinker Digger trying to impress chicks. My prime rib, the second most expensive thing on the menu. The first expensive thing was like a $48 16 ounce. This is a 12 ounce. You know, the usual. At the Clinker Digger at the Flour Mill in Spokane. I'm just trying to impress women with my fine dining experience. Asparagus. I haven't had prime rib in so long. The last time I had it was at a homeless shelter. It was free, so. But this will probably be like $60. The only reason the women that I want to date won't date me is out of bigotry. I'm 40, you're like 18 to 24. You keep telling me to change my mind. Well, I'm only doing this now because I want to stick it to you goddamn age-phobic Nazis. That I'm doing everything I can to try and impress women, but you still stick to this bigotry like the fucking white pride movement. You should probably fucking date me, or I'm gonna recommend that you hurt yourselves immensely, because bigotry does not stand here. But you see what happens when you're not bigoted. I would try and impress you with prime rib or pizza or whatever. It's your fucking problem. Just admit it and change your mind. You're of the left and you won't date me out of age phobia. We all support BLM. We're all anti